Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're here in the 2007 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. 2007 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon, guys. This Jeep currently has a 2.5-inch lift kit from Rough Country, including the sway bar end links. We have also included the steering stabilizer from Rough Country. We have other mods such as 35-inch tires on non-beadlock ion wheels. We also include a siren for good measure. We have other cool features like this Driver Recovery Products 8,000-pound winch. In the back of the vehicle we have steel rolled bumpers and a high lift jack. It's basically a jack for when you use it off-road. It's stable. And it's kind of hard to use, but I've never used it personally. Never had a flat tire off-road, but it's a great system. Jeep Wrangler from 2007 to 2011, I believe, came with the 3.8 liter, which was the same that was offered in the Grand Caravan. Probably had around 210 horsepower. This one has been particularly maintained pretty well. We've changed the oil, a synthetic oil. We've done all the regular maintenance. So it's been a pretty reliable vehicle. We have around 49,000 miles on it. It's been holding up. We've been off-roading a couple of times. Nothing major, we haven't gone rock crawling. I plan to do so soon. I'm planning to buy a different differential for it and lift it up a little bit more since we have a simple 2.5-inch lift kit on it. So as you would imagine from a 35-inch tire Jeep Wrangler and lifted, we have a little bit of steering wobble. Steering isn't precise. You can give the whole thing a half a turn and it does not turn, but it's part of owning a lifted Jeep. Wind noise on these Jeeps are pretty high. Especially this one, it has the soft top, the optional, or the standard soft top. They came with the optional 3-piece Freedom top, and that one was relatively more silent than the soft top. Great thing about these Jeeps is you can go anywhere. You can have fun with them. You can supercharge them. Right now, roads here are pretty horrible, critical on this stage, so they are great vehicles for daily driving. If you don't get bothered by the rough, choppy ride. It's actually one of the most versatile vehicles I have owned in a while, since you can probably get the 4-door one and fit 5 people in, not comfortably, but you can still have a good, enjoyable ride. People who right now cannot afford the JL would go straight to the JK since prices are dropping. Quick pros and cons of this Jeep Wrangler. Pros are, you can take this vehicle anywhere off-road. You can have fun doing so. And parts are relatively cheap. You could find parts for this Jeep anywhere online. Cons for the Jeep Wrangler are, it has a rough and choppy ride, bad engine choices, therefore not much power, and a high level of interior noise. Alright guys, so I plan to take this Jeep off-road and give you guys a video and tour of how it performs off-road pretty soon. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the quick review of the 2007 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. Guys, please subscribe for more and remember to hit post notifications to see all of my posts up to date.